My name is Xavier Villarreal. I'm the CEO here at Navarro Regional Hospital. I've been here going on 3 years now. Came to this position from one of our sister hospitals in Abilene, Texas. Before that I spent about 9 years in a not-for-profit healthcare company in Oklahoma. Originally from Texas, born and raised, and I'm glad to be back here. We've got a very strong medical community. It's very close-knit. We've got a good mix of physicians that have been well-rooted in the community, some of them practicing here for 20-plus years, begun their careers here and have continued on and continued practice here in this community. And then we've got a number of physicians that are just starting their practice here. Some of them have been in practice less than 3 years and have moved into this community locally and are really excited to start a new practice here. So we've got a good mix of new and established physicians. They are very close-knit. They do like to interact with each other outside of work as well, and we see that often in many volunteer activities that they do, such as Habitat for Humanity. Well, I think the biggest impact is we continue to see a growth in our volume here locally. We have a continued need for patients to stay in our community, and we are definitely underserved in certain specialties, and I think that's where the biggest impact is. I think the biggest opportunity is as we recruit some additional physicians, we have an opportunity to grow our business internally. We have some opportunities to grow within our space in the hospital. We have some opportunities to move to all private patient rooms and continue to grow our volume within our current facility. We spend a lot of time focused with physician input on what services are we not offering here adequately and what do we need to do to continue to not only improve those but bring those back in-house for the betterment of the physician and ultimately the patient. We are very open to communication. I spend a lot of time in physician offices or in the departments trying to interact with physicians and see it as my number one job function, and so that's an opportunity that I have, and I share openly, my cell phone number, my home number, anything that a physician needs to get in contact with me, they will have easily. Yeah, I think the biggest advantage is we are the sole community hospital in Navarro County. The biggest advantage, I think, from a professional standpoint is you have the ability to practice in one location. Almost all the medical services are located right around the hospital, so it's very convenient for you as a physician when you're practicing to really focus on the needs of the patient as well as the needs of the practice. Personally, the greatest thing is this community is very focused on family. It is a growing community. It is one that we're continually bringing new industry in. The population is growing. The demographics have been very positive. It's a very safe environment, and it's one that I think anyone who has that focus on family is going to be very excited to live in.